What's up, Divine Family? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the Divine Family. Turn that post notification on just so you know when we drop a banger.
Welcome back to the channel, and today, guys, we're going to be reviewing a crib in Medellin, Colombia. Okay, as you guys know, we like to go to different countries, and of course we got to find us somewhere to stay. And you guys also like to see the cribs, what they coming with, what they working with, how much they is. So we're going to give you exactly that. Will we be staying in this crib forever? No, we are literally just here to review it for you guys, so y'all can see, just in case you probably like it, you want to book it, you probably finna be in Colombia. Okay, so without further ado,
let's get into the video.
Let's go.
All right, so per you guys' request, we're going to give you this amazing tour. As you can read from the title already, this is a $700 tiny luxury apartment. Okay, and so come on, follow me.
All right, so y'all, this is the front of the building. This is the outside. It is along the main street, but you really can't hear it whenever you inside the crib. We do have a gym, quote unquote, a little workout area across the street over there. We have a couple of restaurants over here, but we're gonna get into everything. So let's go. Okay, so guys, this is the workout area. While you are working out, you can have your kids play and chill. This is like something that's very different and unique. I feel like every country got their own thing going on, and one of their main things is working out outside, because yeah, they got a lot of apartments where you'll have, like, you know, a gym, an indoor gym, but for the most part around Medellin, you will see this a lot. You will see a lot of places where you can work out outside. You're gonna see this more than anything, for real, under the bridges, probably like side of the road, stuff like that. And like I said, it's very unique. I don't come here judging nobody's country, but it's not like really too hot out here. But I know once you start working out, you're gonna be getting hot. But you know, we'll figure that out. If I am to work out outside, we'll figure it out another time. So yeah.
All right, so you have your first entrance gate. It do come with a lock, but you can just unlock it. All right, that's a few stairs to walk up. Right here. You got a smart lock right here, so can't nobody get in unless they know the code, basically. So, code.
Get away from the code.
Right. She about to show y'all the code. All right. You got your hallway right here. And if you guys do decide to order food, your driver is going to come right to this door. So, boom, boom, boom. You feel what I'm saying? This ain't America. You can't deliver access to your door, okay? All right. So, this is one of the hallways. You got some apartments right here. Apartamentos. And you keep going. You got your full access of the laundry room, okay? You got the ladies that do your laundry. They do the laundry for you. They fold your clothes, all of that. So this is the part of the luxury living. Okay, so then we got this right here. Give them the view real quick.
Oh, it's like 1,000 stairs.
Right, these are your neighbors. It goes up to 3 plus, I want to say like a rooftop, but it goes up to 3 floors. So, come on.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my crib. You know, yeah. But on a serious note, this is the crib. I'm out of breath. Let me see the key.
This is the crib. This is a window, y'all.
Yeah,
believe it or not. This is a bedroom window. You got the hallway. You got your neighbors right here. It wasn't locked, babe, so all you had to do was just do. There you go.
So y'all, we are on the inside of the crib. Honestly, it's a bit small, but it's okay. Okay, the price is not too much, but it ain't, you know, as reasonable, you know, on the lower end, but it's okay. So let's get into the crib. First things first, we got a couple of dishes. Let's open this up. Okay, we got some more dishes. Okay, we got some coffee, some salt. What a sugar at?
Right there. We had it earlier.
We got the
Some sugar. It come with more glasses, y'all, but
yeah.
We've been using the glasses, of course, cause
Yeah. Also comes with a microwave, y'all. We do not use a microwave, but this may be good for y'all. Okay. They also have this stove top right here, and let's get into it. So we did not know how to work the stove top just yet.
But this is like a full, like if you go to hibachis, basically, and they cook like over the whole thing. This is basically what this is. You get to cut it on right here, but we didn't really know how to work it. So we use the hot plate.
The hot plate comes with a coffee maker, y'all. One thing about it, majority of the cribs in Colombia, you're gonna have you some coffee. Okay, they're gonna have you a coffee maker and some coffee for real. But outside of that, we do have this. It's like a nice little, what you would call this?
It's a bar.
Like a little bar
You
area. Got some
4
bar
stools
under there.
But we got, excuse our stuff, y'all, okay? We literally was only here for 2 nights, 2 days, and we're gonna be off to the
Next spot.
apartment that we're gonna be in for a while.
A little minute. But yeah, you do have an amazing view, y'all. Honestly, this is like one of my favorite things about it is the view, okay? It ain't nothing like waking up, coming out, moving the curtains, and you see this view. Like, it's very nice. And just imagine yourself just, hold up, let me get the breeze for you. You can even open it up, get you a nice little breeze. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
And we gonna show y'all what it looked like at night.
Yeah, it looks very beautiful at night as well. But yeah, this is the view. Okay, y'all, so next up we have this beautiful area right here. We have this nice little coffee table. I really like it because me myself, I'm long. I know I'm not probably supposed to put my feet on here, but sometimes I do. Who cares? Whatever. But let's say you sitting right here, you don't feel like eating on the couch. Sit down, eat you something a little nice, watch the TV. We also have the couch, okay? Me myself, I love the couch, okay? If y'all been watching us for a long time, y'all know that
Couch is huge.
couch is huge, and this is what Ruby needs, okay? Why? Ruby is long, okay? So I can do this and watch TV. Not only is it huge, but y'all, it is so comfortable. Like, it's very, it gives like, how I want to say this? I want to say like high quality type vibes, because sometimes you can sit on the couch and you will bounce back off the couch, okay? Because it's so goddamn hard. But this
and
one,
I think it's like double. Do it come out like a bed? It may come out like a bed, y'all, because those armrests, it can move.
all right. But yeah, y'all, so this one you can really just sit back and chill, watch you some TV, because we have a TV right here. And like I say, I really do like this couch. Like, I can sleep on the couch. I wouldn't mind. Okay, I wouldn't mind sleeping on the couch. But yeah, we have this nice lamp right here. Only thing that I don't like about the lamp is the light. The light, it could be like a little bit more warm. For whatever reason, they have like they LED lights be real like cold, because we got warm, then we got cold. So if y'all know about lights, y'all know what I'm saying. That's the only thing that I don't like. But me myself, I'll take the light bulb out and get me another one, okay? If I'm gonna be here for a little minute, that's what I'm gonna do. But we have these this artwork right here. Artwork is pretty cool, kind of goes hand in hand with like the aesthetic that they got going on. I like that they did do it, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, sometimes in Colombia they don't, you know, come with it how they can come with it. But I like the way that they did this apartment. So far, so good.
And y'all know that everything comes fully furnished.
We also have this TV. You can move it. Okay, don't try to yank it out the wall, but you can move the TV. It's very nice. It is loud as hell too. Like, the TV can be on like 5 or 6 and it's loud as hell. Like you can hear it down the street. So I really do like the TV. It's very good quality. Comes with Netflix. Okay, you got YouTube on it too, so that's good as well. Because there was like somewhere that we stayed here and they Netflix was tripping. Okay, so yeah, it's a damn good TV. Android, Sankey. I ain't never heard of Sankey before, but they doing their thing. So yeah, got Facebook on it, Netflix, YouTube, a whole lot. You can go to the app store. You can do a lot. Okay, so TV is a win. Okay.
All right, y'all, let's step over here so we can view this bathroom. So we have a bathroom here, which is not too big, it's not too small. Like we said, we really recommend a single, somebody that's solo traveling, or a couple for this apartment. If you have kids, I don't recommend. But first thing you notice when you come in the bathroom, you got your nice little blow dryer right here. You got you a nice little mirror, okay? And all of these, it comes with the apartment. So you got your hand soap, you got your wash soap, you got your shampoo, you got your conditioner. This actually goes in here like this and then it hanging like this from like this, but we took it off, but yeah, we're gonna put that back. You got your shelves. You can do whatever you want with it. And then you have your rainforest shower, which I personally love these type of showers. Ruby, she hates them. But I mean, you know, you got your little rack. Y'all, we got our little hand scrubbers. We got hand scrubbers, y'all, because one thing about it, two things for sure, you gonna have to find you some towels because they don't believe in towels out the country, y'all. You would be shocked how you just won't find like wash up towels. They don't have wash up towels. So yeah, right next to it is the bedroom. Do not mind our suitcases and things. All right, so you got your little nice paint on the wall. You got your nice art, okay? You got your bed. Y'all, this is the best bed we slept in since we've been in Medellin, Colombia, okay? The best bed. So I recommend if you are wanting to move, buy your own bed. Buy your own mattress. But we do have a nice little lamp if you don't want to have the light. Me, like my girlfriend said, their lights is like, you unplugged it.
Yeah.
Okay, their lights are like very bright, as you can see. That first light we had on, but I like this light. I like the little lamps.
That's more like warm. Okay, y'all can actually see the difference in the camera. Like that's warm. This right here is just cold. It's just cold blooded.
Yeah, so that's that. And then you got your little store. You got your fan, because out here you will find apartments that has air conditioner, but for the most part it doesn't really get hot here, so they have the fans. Okay, so you got your fan and you got your little storage area. Comes with a arm and an extra little soft little cushion. I think that's like a cover or whatever the case may be. And then of course we use those towels, so we just put it right here and they finna come and clean soon. But you got your hangers. Feel free to buy more little storage space. So if you want to probably buy another one or something, you could buy another one. If you need anything replaced, not normally, you can ask the owner to replace anything. I know that you can do that on Southeast Asia. You could tell them, like, if you don't like the couch, they'll just buy another couch. But I don't know about it for here. But I mean, closed mouths don't get fed, so just ask. But this is the window that we showed you guys, and pretty much it's not an outside window, but I don't know.
Your neighbors.
You see the neighbors. Say hey to the neighbors, okay? All right, guys, that's pretty much the end of this tour. As we stated already, this is a tiny apartment, but per you guys' request, we wanted to give you guys a tour. We were only here for 2 days because the place that we're going to be moving into wasn't ready yet. So we ended up just getting this one for 2 days. But yeah, we just wanted to give y'all that tour. But let us know, would y'all pay $700 a month to live in this apartment?
Yes.
Comment down below, yes or no. Would y'all pay that?
Yeah.
Would you pay that?
Me myself personally, I feel like if I'm gonna pay $700 a month, especially in Colombia here, I've seen like bigger spaces, you know, for $700 a month.
But if this was like, okay, you know, I'm coming in, this is, you know, what is available. Okay, cool. You know, I ain't got no issue doing that. But
Yeah,
I have
agree.
seen like, you know, bigger, more spacious, a little bit, you know, bigger refrigerators, because the refrigerator, as y'all seen, was small.
Did we show them the refrigerator?
We did, but
It's a small refrigerator, y'all. So we're probably adding a little clip.
Yeah, the
of the
refrigerator is very small, and it's like if I'm gonna be here for a month and I want to stack up on groceries, all them groceries ain't gonna fit, you know. So it's like, you know, probably not. But like I say, this is probably an option for one of y'all. So you know, it'd
Maybe
be
like a solo traveler.
yeah, like a solo traveler,
Yeah.
somebody just in, or even if you wanted to stay for like, you know, a couple of nights, anything like that. But ain't no biggie. It's still nice. It's still not super high like, you know, America. So hey, you know,
When I stay here, me personally, like she said, only because we know that it's other places here where you can get something bigger for that amount. It is pretty. It is like on the, if you know apartments here, if you've seen some of the apartments here, this would be considered luxury. In a sense, it will be a little, you know, on the luxury side, because they do have some apartments that they consider maybe luxury that's just not luxury, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, you just got to make sure you're doing your research correctly. But other than that, yeah, no, I probably wouldn't pay $700 to live here. But then again, if I was by myself and I didn't really do research, and then I was just trying to come here on some quick stuff, maybe I would, you know? I think the circumstances, it just depends on the circumstances.
yeah, most definitely depends on the circumstances and like just who you are as a person. Like
Yeah.
you may be okay with that.
Yeah,
like, you
because
know,
it's really nice for a single person. Like, it's really nice for a solo person. Like, I mean, even a couple, it's not that bad for us. Like, us personally, you know, if we got to pick something quick like this, for example, as long as it has like a living room and then a room, we're good, because we're business girly. So sometimes she got an appointment, I don't want to hear that, so I'm in a room. Sometimes I got an appointment or something, or a class or something, and you know, we can do that.
Yeah.
But other than that, you know,
yeah. And also we like our space, y'all. So like sometimes y'all know we are out the country together, so it's more than likely it's just me and her. So we like our space. So sometimes I like to be like, you know, on the couch and let her be in the room, or vice versa. Like we don't like to be up each other's butt 24/7. It's like, all right. Then at the same time,
I'll
we
be up your butt.
we both have Pisces in us, so it's like we really be low-key needing that space, but still like, you know, clinging on to each other, because it's like, where you going? We out here together, okay?
Y'all, I act when she get up and get out the bed, I will ask her, babe, where you about to go?
Y'all, it's just me and her
all the time.
I don't know where I could possibly run to where she would be like, hey, where you going? Where you going, babe? And I'll be like, okay, I don't know where I'm going to be going without you, but okay, babe, I'm just about to go to the bathroom. It's like 5-6 a.m. I gotta pee. That's all I'm doing, okay?
If you ain't asking your girlfriend or your boyfriend where they going when they getting up at that bed, are you really their girlfriend or their boyfriend? But we hope y'all like this apartment tour video. We definitely have more for y'all to come, so make sure y'all turn that post notification on.
Turn that bell
so y'all
on.
know when we drop these bangers.
Get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, y'all, we on the road to 5K. On the road to 5K. We've been doing pretty darn good. So make sure y'all like, comment, interact with us, show us some love, okay? Show us some love. Show us some love. You know, we love y'all. Do y'all love us? Yes or not? Yes or not? But until next time, guys, peace.
Peace.